4 Pythagoras quotes on making life decisions. Number 1. Choose rather to be strong of soul than strong of body. Choose always the way that seems the best, however rough it may be. Custom will soon render it easy and agreeable. There is nothing so easy but that it becomes difficult when you do it reluctantly. Strength of mind rests in sobriety, for this keeps your reason unclouded by passion. 6 Inspirational Pythagoras quotes about life. We come from God. As the tree from the root and the stream from the spring, that's why we should always be in contact with Him, as the trunk from the root. Because the stream dries up when it is separated from the spring and the tree dies when it is uprooted. A man is never as big as when he is on his knees to help a child. Most men and women, by birth or nature, lack the means to advance in wealth or power, but all have the ability to advance in knowledge. Salt is born of the purest parents, the sun and the sea. Anger begins in folly, and ends in repentance. Know thyself and thou wilt know the universe. 7 Pythagoras quotes that will make you think. The soul of man is divided into 3 parts: intelligence, reason, and passion. Intelligence and passion are possessed by other animals, but reason by man alone. Numbers have a way of taking a man by the hand and leading him down the path of reason. The most momentous thing in human life is the art of winning the soul to good or evil. The highest goal of music is to connect one's soul to their divine nature, not entertainment. Above the cloud with its shadow is the star with its light. Above all things reverence thyself. Reason is immortal, all else mortal. Souls never die, but always on quitting one abode pass to another. All things change, nothing perishes.